Hi guys, this is my bike check. Here's my bike. So yeah, starting at the top, I got ODI bar ends, the plastic ones. ODI soft compound grips. Got Sputnik Skyline bars. Badass T-plate. Odyssey medium monolever. Got a Odyssey linear slip cable, whatever they are, and Odyssey Evo 2 things here. Diatech headset, big bulky Odyssey headstock, headstand stem. Yeah, it hurts when you hit your balls. I got GT forks with the front wheel out of a GT. I don't know what it is. I painted this awesome skull type tyre cap thing. Got a Fly Reuben Alcandra front tyre. Got a Chase Hawk fit frame from 2007. I don't know what this bottom bracket is. I don't know what this sprocket is. Stolen mob cranks. Mission impulse pedals that Tyron got me for my birthday.
Hi.
Here's Tyron. Oh, he also got me these grips as well. DK seat, soon to be changed. Unknown seat post, if you can see the seat post. Odyssey path, back tyre. The dumbass, I bought it off, put it backwards, but I don't care. Odyssey Hazard, I think, hub. Odyssey Hazard light rim. Odyssey spokes. It's not a freewheel, I'm pretty sure it's cassette. Unknown half-link chain. If you think you know what sort of chain this is, please tell me in the comments. Okay, like, comment, and subscribe.